12 hours of driving, the park is closed. Apparently there was a blizzard warning, so now we're just gonna, I really don't know what we're gonna do, but guess we'll find out shortly.
This is the road at 11 a.m.
Wow.
It's blizzardy.
Texas blizzard.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're headed through anyways because it seems like a bunch of people had the same idea. They came today and
Spikes are down.
the spikes are down, so a bunch of people have driven through. So we're gonna join them and, you know, hope for the best, see what we can see. So to quickly recap everything that just happened today. So basically we've driven about, it's a 9-hour drive, but it's taken us about 12 hours. We set off at 5:30 a.m. from Houston, all the way to Amarillo Canyon area to visit Palo Duro State Park in Texas. So we drove all the way out here just to realize that yesterday and this morning a blizzard had hit this area and they shut down the entire park. So after expecting to camp in the park, we are now having to do plan B and stay at the Red Roof Inn. So you know what? It's all an adventure. We'll be spontaneous.
Yeah, I was about to say, if anything, we're getting better sleep.
It'll be about 28 degrees tonight, so I wasn't too excited about that. So we will get better sleep here. We're also traveling with my brother and his girlfriend Haley, so we'll introduce them in a bit. But stay tuned and we'll figure out what all we're doing this crazy week. Stop. Oh. Andrew is not very used to snow, only Houston snow.
God, I'm cold, man. Well, we're in the room.
We're in the room. It's looking good. A little warmer than camping.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Probably.
A
Yeah.
little less intrusive since the park is closed.
That's true.
But just as scary.
Just, yeah, equally as terrifying. Look at this lighting. You can, it's just so spooky. And look at that hair. Extra spooky.
What's wrong with it?
What's wrong with it?
It's a chilly one today. How cold is it?
It's 30. There's some strong winds. It's quite bitter. But it should warm up or later in the day.
And it's still snowy. I have never
It's like
seen,
ice.
yeah, it is actually ice now. You just gotta, but I've never seen this much snow in my life. Is that a claw?
It's for the hike.
Why didn't, no one told me about
Oh,
it?
I'm sorry, did you want to call?
I mean, no, it's fine. Did you sleep well?
I did. I slept pretty well.
Did you?
Hell yeah.
Once we figure out how to run the AC or heater all night, but before that, no.
So as you can see, we'll be hiking uphill. We are right here. And we will be going along this yellow trail. All right here to the lighthouse.
The lighthouse.
Let's go.
All right, so we've been hiking for what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, probably about 20 minutes.
Beautiful scenes.
37 degrees outside.
37 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky.
Beautiful.
It is absolutely beautiful. Quick update, we showed up and there's no camping available. It all got booked.
Darn spring breakers.
Darn spring breakers. It said it was first come, first serve, so everyone must have gotten here earlier than us, but we'll figure out that later. But as for now, we're just gonna keep hiking, checking out the scenes.
So we're on a trail called the Lighthouse Trail. We're trying to find what looks like a rock formation, and apparently it looks just like a lighthouse. That's where we're on our way to.
It's a little muddy.
ankle weights on. It's so muddy.
This is the Grand Canyon of Texas.
We are at the Grand Canyon of Texas. Yahoo!
We're in the Grand Canyon of Texas!
We're in the Grand Canyon of Texas!
Soft. What the
So I guess this is like a kind of a semi-newer
Whoa.
canyon.
Yeah. Oh, I just feel like I did something bad.
Destroyed history.
It's really cool.
We just hiked straight up. But now look how close we are. But I can't catch my breath.
I was about to say, we're dying. Quads are burning. My butt hurts. And I need to get in shape.
We took it a step further. I don't know if I can get down. If I'm being honest.
I'll help her out.
Woo! And we made it to lunch. What are we having? Oh, we make mine's all.
Refreshing. No, literally.
I'm gonna get a Max style video.
You gotta be holding it.
I'm just gonna spray it in my face.
Spills it everywhere. God, my finger's not strong enough. There we go.
Shout out to Max and his strong finger.
Yep, shout out to Max Conrad and his strong finger.
Look at us. Drinking and hiking. Is this allowed?
All right, we did it. We are at the end. Now we're gonna go into town. We gotta figure out where we're sleeping for the night.
Yeah.
And you know what? Maybe find another brewery.
We're going down a dirt road right now. Headed to Bar Z Winery, or Bar Z. Gonna taste some wines. Maybe have a snack. Look at tumbleweed.
Tumbleweed.
We're going to a cave. God, we're a little tired. We're kind of delusional. We've taken about 21,000 steps. Haven't been getting too much sleep these past 2 nights, and we still don't know where we're sleeping tonight. So. But you know what? Let's go explore a cave.
Yeah, that's really what we're gonna do, is explore the cave.
Give it a little vocals test. Yeah.
It's all just like projects
No
out that
echoes.
way.
We are now on the top of the cave. It was a little steep to get up.
And we made it down. We actually went into the cave.
Do you see this slidey area right here? Like,
This slidey area right in here.
up was okay. Going down was a little, well, I think going up was kind of harder.
Going up was harder, but coming down, you just had to bend your legs and squat.
The soil is really soft and you could slide.
But we're
did it.
not good with certain heights. I'm not good going up. Jenna's not very good coming down, so
Yeah, so we're a little slow going both ways.
it's a beautiful mixture
Yeah.
for success. We're gonna try and find a campsite.
Sites with water and electricity is E with a triangle.
We set up our tent.
We did.
Oh, you can't see it. Here, I'll show you. Disclaimer, Aaron helped us quite a bit, but come past this beautiful new tent.
Which will be
We
Aaron's.
are nice. Watch this.
Aaron and Haley's.
Watch this step.
All right, this is a tripping hazard.
Our nice. How old do you think this is?
20
20-year-old tent.
25. Jenna's dad, if you're watching, comment below how old this tent is for everyone to know.
But it'll be a great stay tonight. I just wish we had a broom. It's all dirty in there. Probably because Aaron usually sleeps in this one. But woohoo! We're home.
Welcome to our humble abode. Did you hear that? It's
Dark.
getting dark as hell. This is my first time setting up a tent, and it actually helped me a lot. There's no way.
Oh, we got it. Push this way.
Oh no.
The one thing I bring to the camp like just does not work.
Here.
Oh Lord. the tent's gonna be destroyed.
Let go of the light. Yeah, don't let the tent fall apart.
The tent's down.
We can just put this deflated on the ground and sleep on top of it.
I'm totally okay with that. It does not have to be.
I've slept on the ground plenty of times. We'll be fine.
We've set up our tent. Look how cozy. It's really not too bad. And look, more blankets. Yay, it's gonna be so cozy. What's the temp gonna be tonight?
28.
28. So it'll be nice and cozy in here.
It actually looks pretty good.
Extra thick socks. All right, well, we are bundled up. We have
Super
sleeping
bundled.
bags. We have a whole blanket. I have a whole little comforter inside, and then I'm wearing sweats, a long sleeve t-shirt, and a sweatshirt. And he has
I have a hoodie, a long sleeve shirt, a t-shirt. I'm in my sleeping bag. We have my big blanket. And then, although the pillow position isn't optimal, I'm pretty bundled up, and I'm actually kind of excited to sleep.
Yes. So even though it'll drop like 10 to
10 more
15
degrees?
more degrees, I think we are prepared. Well, we hope that you like this video, and if you ever come here, we hope you plan a little better than we did. But we will see you in our next video in the next state that we're at. Good night.